Welcome back to another IronCAD 2027 new feature video. This one's going over enhancements made to camera movement operations. So in the past, in order to do certain camera operations, you would have to hold down a secondary button to get some of the effects that you wanted. The example before is that I could center mouse button to orbit the camera. But in order to pan, I would have to hold shift and then hold the center mouse button in order to pan. But we've made this simpler by adding more commands to the mouse so you don't have to use two hands. So center mouse button like normal is orbit. Center mouse button plus left click hold is now your pan. Center mouse button plus right click hold is now your zoom in and out. And then center mouse button left click is your walk. And lastly, center mouse button right click is your dolly action, like so. So there you have it. Now you can use just one hand for a lot of your more complex camera movements. Thanks, and see you in the next video.